Good early morning on my break here at Ford Romeo Engine. And my little India fella that is out here from India, and my Sicilian guy that works for this company that has to mitigate for this India guy, expects OlD Vincenzo to do his work for him and prepare it all on a little silver platter because he needs records of what's happening. Well, motherfucker, get a pen and a notepad, start writing this fucking shit down. OlD Vincenzo's not going to give you his records so you can keep it for India. You can get your fucking records for India the same way I get my records for my company. Can you fucking believe this guy Vincenzo? He's trying to steal your records. Who is he, the IRS? Is he from Ford? Is he working for Waco and the FBI? He thinks he can steal your shit for India for records? Oh, fuck this guy Vincenzo. I know exactly. Fuck this guy. Go get your own fucking records. You know what I mean? You're not going to get my shit. But here's gold. An industry exclusive. What's going on in gold? You had a bull flag. I'm on break, asshole. Nobody gives a shit. Yeah, you already have the fucking record, prick. We're in a bull flag right here in gold. See that? Since that consolidation and an industry exclusive first on Vincenzo's gold crypto investing, you have two prior bull flags, much smaller time frame. Bull flag number 1, breakup. Bull flag number 2, breakup. Huge bull flag now number 3. Third time's the charm for a massive explosion with this high inflation. And you see the disaster that's going on in the dollar devaluation. But you have a bull flag here, and nobody else has called this out. And Vincenzo's had this on here for months with his gold chart, right? No, don't erase that. Don't erase that. You guys have seen this for months on Vincenzo's gold crypto investing. Other people may copy, trying to bring it into the space, but this chart's been up here for months. Upper resistance once, lower support once. Upper resistance twice, lower support twice. Upper resistance 3 times, double bottom for the 4th and 5th, and then a breakout right there. And the target out of a bull flag is way up there at 2,300 to 2,500. That's why Vincenzo's had a $2,500 gold target out by the end of this year. And then it looked like it broke out, and then we back tested it now as lower support. As we zoom in, oh, that's right. Vincenzo said isolate and zoom in, and we're going to go from the daily time frame, from the far out to the 4 hour, because there's more candles in the 4 hour time frame than there are in the daily time frame. That's why we start from a far out time frame and work our way in super simple and easy ways to trade this market, right? And then we said everybody was freaking out in the gold market, and we tried to tell you all what was going on, and we've had several videos on this. We back tested this now. And that's what you got to do. That was 11-month upper resistance in this bull flag. We got to back test it now as brief support and then try to take off. And that's exactly what we're doing. In an industry exclusive Vincenzo's gold crypto investing daily time frame, we have a inverse horizontal head and shoulders bottom bullish reversal pattern. Usually head and shoulders, a traditional one, is a topping bearish reversal pattern. This is a rarer in the daily time frame, but a true head and shoulders bottoming bullish reversal pattern, or aka as it's known, inverse head and shoulders are bullish reversal patterns. Head and shoulders are bearish topping patterns. Inverse are bullish. This is an inverse head and shoulders. You guys keep asking about certain things about if they're head and shoulders, and you're asking me questions on coins that aren't in head and shoulders or can't even be assimilated as a head and shoulder. This is a true inverse head and shoulders. You got your left shoulder, you got your head, and you got your right shoulder, and it's slanted. It's not horizontal. It's a slanted. It's a slanted head and it's a slanted inverse head and shoulders, and then there's your neckline, a descending slanted neckline running at the top about 1945, and where we are now, it's about 1850. And when you break that neckline, because you're coming up to form this right shoulder, and that's what this back testing was, right? You broke out of the bull flag, and that was forming the right shoulder. As back testing it now, and now it's coming back up to the neckline, and as soon as you break that neckline, you're going to come straight up to almost, it works out beautifully to a fabulous, glowing, gorgeous double top. And that would be somewhat concerning if we look back down here and the volume's crashing as we're rising, right? So we'll keep an eye on this, but we're coming up here very shortly in gold to $2,100 as an industry exclusive, and taught you first of an inverse head and shoulders out of a bull flag 11-month pattern since August 2020, Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing gives you what a true inverse head and shoulders looks like in the daily time frame. And head and shoulders patterns are daily time frame. They're long-term pattern reverse changes. Short-term head and shoulders are there, but they're not. They're just whatever, right? But this is what a true inverse head and shoulders looks like, a bullish reversal pattern, because a head and shoulders is a bearish topping reversal pattern, right? Inverse is a bullish bottoming reversal pattern. And this is an inverse head and shoulders in gold, industry exclusive, right? As we work our way to silver, we already know we're in an ascending triangle in silver, right? We've went over this extensively, industry exclusive first. Other channels then follow in the crypto sphere because they don't have the knowledge in the gold and silver bullion market as OlD Vincenzo does. So they like to take his information, that Lambo leap and that limbo balls and all that bullshit. You notice their charts will follow OlD Vincenzo. What Vincenzo does, all those guys on that list that I showed you earlier, crypto schmuck and all that shit, I'll start doing that on our morning channel market. They all copy OlD Vincenzo, right? But you can see we're in an ascending triangle, which is a bullish continuation pattern where you have a pump, then you have a high at the orange arrow, then you have a low at the blue arrow, then you have a second high but the same and a horizontal upper resistance. Then you bottom on an ascending lower low, the purple, but it's higher than blue. Then you come up for the third time and you hit the same horizontal resistance at the same price here in white. Then you get rejected and come back down where you're currently at. Your third time hitting this ascending lower support in the yellow, and it's higher than the blue, which was higher than the purple, which was higher than the blue. And now you're going to come back up and retest this again. And as soon as you break out of that, that's a big bullish reverse or bullish continuation pattern. And this has been going on for a very long time, since last August too. So that's a very long pattern. And my target in an industry exclusive pattern reveal that's been on here for 2 months, 3 months maybe, in the crypto sphere first. And there's your target at $50. So when you start seeing other people the last 6-7 weeks call for $50 silver in the crypto sphere and $2,500 gold, this is why. They may have 10,000, 20, 30, 40,000 subscribers, a bigger audience, but they're getting the information from Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing because he's showing you the pattern you're in. See that? There's your horizontal resistance, and this is your ascending support in yellow, and there's your arrows. And I told you, since we've been in this pattern, every time we've hit this, I bought, and I'm loading up. And then I wait when it comes and retest, because the next time, which it's going too quick, could be the time it blows the gasket. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing for in-depth, industry-exclusive, channel-first content out ahead of the rest of the field with the bullish and bearish indicators, coin request, on demand. You can PayPal or Cash App. Links are above and below. Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, bullish or bearish indicators can tell you all this on what you should be in and what you shouldn't be in. Peace and love. Peace and love.